Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing a short video tutorial on how to reformat or install Windows 7 using a bootable flash drive onto your PC. But first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Micah.
I'm Naira.
I'm Jonna.
So first things first, okay, before you start any project or before you do anything, you need to get everything ready. So first, you need a flash drive, at least 4 gig in size. And of course, all the drivers for the motherboard that you will be reformatting, or for the PC that you will be reformatting. So in this case, let's go ahead and put our flash drive into the computer, and let's make it bootable using Rufus, which is a third-party software, and it's totally free. So you just run it, and since I've already created the bootable flash drive, but I wanted to show you how to do it. So we just choose the device here, which is the flash drive name, and then just don't change anything, and then look for the ISO image, which in this case is located on our desktop. And let's see, and it's here, the Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit. And you just open it, and you just click start.
Okay.
And okay. And so right now it's creating the bootable flash drive for us. Okay, so now you can see that the process is finished and our bootable flash drive is now ready. So we just close this program and just let's see, eject our flash drive, and now we're ready to reformat the other PC and install Windows 7 on it. So here we are. We turned on the PC, where we're gonna install the Windows 7, and we hit delete while it's starting up so that we can go into the BIOS. And here in the BIOS, you can see the specifications of the computer. So the CPU type here is Intel Core i5, which is 3.20 gigahertz, and so we're gonna choose. Here below, we're going to choose the USB flash disk as the boot priority. So we're just going to click on that. And so we're going to click on that and just move it to the right so that it will be the first boot priority. And then we're going to go ahead and save the changes and reset. And say yes. So just press any key to boot, and now Windows is loading file. So let's just go on ahead and wait. So we're gonna pause this video. Wait, so Windows is starting. Wait. Okay, so here's the install window. So for the purpose of this installation, we're just going to use English as our language, and time and currency format. Let's see if they have. I forgot what we're gonna use. Yay! We finally found Filipino, Philippines. And for the keyboard or input method, we're just gonna keep it with the US. And then just click on next and install now.
Perfect.
Video na to.
Ganda din.
fast forward na to, so mawala tong voice. And then we just go on ahead and click on I accept the license terms and next. And so we'll do a custom or advanced. Okay, so first things first, what you need to do is click on the disk and where you want to install it. So first, we need to just go on ahead and format everything so that if there are any viruses or anything that's left on the hard disk, it will all be deleted. So just go ahead and format everything. And this one, format. Am I format? Oh yeah, and okay, so I'm sorry. Aside from formatting, we need to delete the partition first, and we just go ahead and delete all the partitions. And let's just go ahead and for this one, we'll create a new partition. So it's about 300 gig. So what we're gonna do is split it into. So let's just make it into 150 and apply.
Yeah, it fell.
Okay, so we're gonna go on ahead and install it in here in this 0 partition 2. And so now we'll just have to go on and wait for it to get done. So please bear with us.
Ayun, request na tato.
Request na to sa ano
Itong malay.
So you can see that it's the process going really fast. We actually paused it a while ago, and so now it's restarting. So when you restart, you gotta unplug, take out your flash drive. So our computer is restarting. So now we have actually installed, well, you can see later that we've actually installed Windows 7. And now it's updating the registry settings. And it is starting, it's actually in the process of starting Windows 7. So it's, as you can see, it's already completing the installation. So as you can see, setup is preparing our computer for the first use. At this time, I think you need to get your drivers ready. And I will show you exactly where you can see which drivers you are lacking. So first, let's type a username. So for just the purpose of this, we'll just type workstation 1. and then workstation 1 PC. So we'll just keep it that way. And then type a password if you want to protect it, but if you don't, then just click next. And then we'll just leave this area for now. And then we can do use recommended settings. And then for the time, I think we're gonna use Taipei +8. I know it's +8. Or this one. The Taipei or Hong Kong? Taipei, there you go. And we click on next. And there you go. We've successfully installed Windows 7 on this PC. Awesome. So here we have the Windows desktop. So the first thing we're gonna do is check if there are drivers that need to be installed. So let's do this again. So I would go to Recycle Bin, and then My Computer, and right-click My Computer and go to Properties. And here you can see, up here is Device Manager, and just click that. And you can see that we have a lot of drivers that need to be installed. Like I said earlier, that you're gonna need to install these drivers either by using the CD that came with the motherboard, or like for this tutorial we're gonna use drivers pack. So let's go ahead and look for our drivers pack. I actually downloaded drivers pack and then I saved it on my external hard drive because it's quite big. It was 10 gig. So let's go look for it. And it's right there, driver pack. Let's go ahead and click it. And so we click driver pack, and then we're just gonna go ahead and run driver pack solution. Yes. So we'll just go ahead and wait for a little bit. Because it's scanning our hardware looking for drivers in driver packs. Okay, so here we can just go ahead and install and update. And I would just leave everything the way it is. So we're gonna go ahead and start installation. So I think it's gonna go relatively quick, I think, hopefully. So it's already at 40%. So as you can see, this is it's a very good software to have, especially if you're like me, who I lose everything. So like I don't keep any of the CDs or DVDs that come with the PCs that I buy. So this driver pack is very good, and I think it's easy to use. So it's 75% now. So all in all, it took us about less than 30 minutes to install Windows 7 as well as the drivers. And I think it's almost done. It's 83%. We're making. Okay, so now it's installing our video card. So driver pack automatically detected that our video card is NVIDIA GeForce GT630. So it's amazing how it can
Amazing.
detect and install it automatically. So it's finishing up, I think. And let's see. And we have a few more minutes to wait. And we're almost done. Okay, good. Okay, so now the driver pack has successfully installed the drivers and programs that are lacking in our Windows 7 installation. It's asking for restarts, which we will do right now. So just click OK, and we'll just wait for it to restart. And it's updating. Oh, it's really fast. So it's 100% complete. So there you have it. So what the last thing we're gonna do is to make sure that we don't have any drivers that we haven't installed. So okay, so it's asking for another restart. Should we restart? We'll just restart it later. So I'll just show you here again. Let's go to Recycle Bin and to My Computer. Right click on My Computer and Properties. And let's go back to Device Manager. And there are two unknown devices that has not been installed, but I guess that was the one that was asking for a restart. So basically, we have installed the video card and all the other devices. Let's go on ahead and do another restart and check um, if those two other drivers will be installed. Equals 9. Okay. Okay, so now after we restarted, everything seems to be okay. So there you have it. We have successfully installed Windows 7 on this computer and also its drivers. So thank you so much for watching our video, and we hope that you enjoyed our mini tutorial, and hope to see you guys again soon. So this is Micah. Goodbye.
I'm Jonah. Goodbye.
I'm Nara. Bye.